dream of a digital India where cybersecurity becomes an integral part of our national security and our border security is our national security. Quotes our respected Prime Minister. Good morning to the members of juries. It's my privilege to speak and do something for my country. I am Vishit Prasad and they are my friends Vijay Vittala and Hegade. We have a strong message to convey through this model. We all agree that our Bharat is a land of rich cultural heritage. Indian culture is unique. Each state has its own cultural heritage and we can see unity in diversity. Though modernity has occurred over the years, the people of India remain devoted to their heritage. Now my friend Dia will tell about the foreign invasions.
Thank you, Mishra. We have been a peace-loving nation. We were misled by foreigners who came to us as traders and gradually occupied our territory and ruled us ruthlessly by their muscle public. After a struggle of more than 2 centuries, we managed to get a coveted freedom in 1947. We started as a newborn nation after having been looted and plundered by Britishers. After 7 decades of independence, we are now the biggest democracy in the world and is one of the fastest developing nations in the world today. Unfortunately, we have not had great neighbors. We have been attacked directly or indirectly in many ways. We have been attacked by land, water and air. The need of the hour is to protect our motherland from external attacks. Now my friend Sathvik will continue about the Indian Armed Forces.
Thank you, Dia. Indian Armed Forces infused by a set of values that make the soldiers willingly face a plethora of challenges and difficulties. And when the call may come to do the ultimate sacrifice and service of the nation, confident that the nation will look after them and their families. With terrorism emerging like a hydra-headed monster, we need to protect our country from external aggression. In this connection, we have made an attempt to help the Indian Navy in suppressing any attempt by any rebels or terrorists in disturbing the peace. Now my friend Vishnu will tell about the working of our model.
Here we have our India with its 3 sides facing the ocean. The enemies may enter through water will be detected through sonar and camera system. Sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. It is a technique that uses ultrasonic waves to measure the distance and detect objects on or under the surface of water, such as other vessels. When the sonar detects an object, it sends the information and along with a picture of the vessel to the defense building. The naval admirals can analyze whether the vessel is ours or the enemy's and they decide whether to launch the missile or not. The whole process will be done through our specially designed mobile app. If they decide to launch the missile, then they just need to click yes button on the app and the missile will directly attack the submarine. The target of the missile can also be set manually through our app. Now my friend Sathvik will tell about the future plans of our model.
Thank you, Vishnu. Our plan is to increase the accuracy and distance of our model. Currently, these sensors can detect results up to 100 meters from its range. We are working so that this can detect up to 300 meters. Also, the sensors need to be close to the defense building in the coastal regions. We are working so that this can control from any part of the world. Now, my friend Dia will conclude our model.
Thank you, Sathvik. The entire coastline must be kept under strict vigil by Indian Navy, Coast Guards and Marine Police. It's a Herculean task for the Indian coastal security to guard the coastal length of 7,516 kilometers. Using our technology, confidently say that the effort required to safeguard a country from external attacks can be reduced. Thank you. Jai Hind.